Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make mushy peas. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna bring water to boil, add a bit of cooking salt, boil the frozen garden peas for 10 minutes and drain. I'm gonna add unsalted butter, lemon juice, mash, adjust the cooking salt and mix together. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!